Hello everyone, let's discuss this question that is based on thermodynamics, and I have taken it from the UPSC Chemistry Paper 1 of 2018. Question is, consider the formation of magnesium oxide solid. Assume that enthalpy change, that is a standard enthalpy change of this reaction and a standard entropy change of this reaction, are independent of temperature. So they are not changing with the temperature basically. Reaction is Mg solid plus half O2 gas giving MgO solid. So you can see the entropy change must be negative because on the left hand side there is gas, on the right hand side it is solid only. So entropy change of this reaction is minus 108 joule per Kelvin per mole, whereas the enthalpy change is minus 602 kilojoule per mole. So enthalpy change is very high. So it is clearly understood that this is highly exothermic reaction, burning of magnesium. Okay. Now the question is, calculate Gibbs free energy change, standard Gibbs free energy change of this reaction for the formation of MgO solid at 0 degree centigrade. Is this reaction a spontaneous or non-spontaneous at 0 degree centigrade? It is of 5 marks. Okay. So basically mathematical part is very less. You have to first find the Gibbs free energy change. Okay, and that is delta G naught R. This is equal to delta H naught R minus T delta H naught R. So standard Gibbs free energy change of this reaction is related with the enthalpy change and entropy change by this equation. Okay. Now we have given this value delta H naught R is minus 602 minus temperature is 0 degree centigrade, but we have to keep that in Kelvin. So it will be 273.15 Kelvin into entropy change is minus 108, but this is in kilojoule, 602 is in kilojoule, so we have to convert this also in kilojoule because 108 is in joule, so we have to simply divide by 1000. And now negative will become positive, so it is a simple calculation. If we'll do, it is 602 plus, if you just calculate this one, this is equal to 29.5. Okay. And if you just do it, it is a simple calculation. You'll be getting around minus of 572.50 kilojoule per mole. So that is basically the standard Gibbs free energy change for this reaction. Okay. Is this reaction a spontaneous or non-spontaneous at this temperature? So since we have a standard Gibbs free energy change is the negative value, then it must be a spontaneous, because the condition for a spontaneous is delta G naught of this reaction should be less than 0, and non-spontaneous is delta G naught R should be greater than 0. So since Gibbs free energy change is negative, this reaction is a spontaneous. Coming to the next part, this is again of 5 marks. This is there a temperature at which formation of magnesium oxide switches from a spontaneous to non-spontaneous, or vice versa? If no, explain why not. If yes, then calculate the temperature at which the spontaneity of this reaction switches. Okay. So for non-spontaneous or non-spontaneity, what we have that Gibbs free energy change of the reaction must be greater than 0. And what is the Gibbs free energy change? Basically it is delta H naught R minus T delta H naught R, that should be greater than 0. Okay. So earlier we have given value, that is 602 is in kilojoule minus temperature is unknown because we need to calculate that temperature, into delta H naught R. What is the value of that? It was 108. Okay. So negative of 108 joule, then you have to convert this in kilojoule by dividing it by 1000, and that must be greater than 0. So that must be greater than 0. Okay. Now if you calculate it, 602 negative will become positive, 108 by 1000 into T must be greater than 0. So we can say 108 T by 1000 is greater than 602. Then temperature must be greater than how much? 602 into 1000 divided by 108. And if you find the value of this expression, that is 602 into 1000 by 108, you will be getting 5574. So basically the temperature is greater than 5574 Kelvin. It means if the temperature is increased up to this or more than this, then delta G naught R is becoming greater than 0, and then this reaction will be non-spontaneous. Okay, so the answer for this part, the calculate the temperature at which the spontaneity of the reaction switches is 5574 Kelvin. So that's the complete solution of this question. Thank you.